Hey guys, I'm back for part 2 of the pack opening. Just uploaded the last one. I don't know, I never get anything from packs. You know, I got that Nam Osmo, but I never get anything. It just... You always see the people, the same people, get like a bunch of great cards. Like, I'm just sitting here like, cool. Ah, cool. You know, so... never get anything. So let's see what we get. Yeah, we get a Kareem Jackson. I don't know. I'm pretty sure the base one goes for a bit. I think the base one goes for a bit. I don't think the road to playoff one. We get Demaryius Thomas, top 100. Andy Reid. Yeah. Ooh, I got a 3-time Super Bowl champ. So, you know, that's like a 150 basically right there. So let's just bring it back. See, okay, guys, we're here. I'm telling you, I'm calling it. It's Derek Thomas. Come on, never anything. 18 packs to go. Got that Turban, Robert Turban. Nick Falk and nothing. I got a rock pile. I guess that's something. Okay. Oh my gosh, Corey Rutan. Oh yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Dang. Wonder if he still goes for a bit. I'll check that after the video. Dang. Not something I wasn't thinking I was gonna pull. Okay. Guess they gave some love to me. Oh, into the Daryl Starpton. I think I got like all the final editions, and this is all his thing. Probably goes for nothing though, because I can tell by the speed. Goes for nothing. So, oh crap, oops. Back here, oops. So, let's see what we can get out of this thing. And we got Heath Miller, yay! What I always wanted. Okay. So, let's see what we can get. Toss her again, and nothing, yay! Yay, nothing, woohoo! So, trying to get the right angle. So let's get Rainbow. I keep getting these Jabari Greers. Go for like nothing. Yeah, really, nothing. I wonder what that card goes for. Because I know I did pass Jason Jones for a while. I don't know if it still is. Go check. Yeah, Fonzo Denard. Yep. I'm gonna open the large bundle topper at the end. So I'm not talking that much, just really nothing's happening. Oops. Yeah. And how big is my? How much do I have left in my? How much do I have left in my? Okay. See how much I have left in my reserves. Just keen. Nothing, I don't think. Just to. Okay, it's just. Reveal all. Okay, now we're gonna go back and forth on this pack. Lucky number 6. We're gonna get the ultimate legendary Thomas right here. Oh, not. Nothing. Right here in the London method, we're gonna get it. Nope. We got. Let's see if I just a collectible. That's a plus, I guess. Okay, now this pack. I'm telling you, There's gonna be something in it. Okay. Let me go back and forth. Oh God, come on. Okay, guys, right here, I want to get nothing. See, how much I say nothing? Right here, I want to get nothing. Yep, we get nothing. Predicted it, yes. Okay, last pack. I'm gonna go one by one. Ah, got this, Jake Matthews. Yeah, it's terrible. So, yeah. For sure, yeah, it's like terrible. Okay, so let's see what we get in a bundle. Topper, we get a Brian Orcapo and a Trail Suggs. Okay. Now let's look up how much that Corey Woodland is going for. That's like the highlight of the video. Let's go here. Okay. Silver. See how much it's going for. No results. Isn't he loaded? I think he is. But okay. That's the video, so see ya later.